Hey there, everyone. I'm Jorge Andrés Díaz from Colombia. I'm a software developer, and today we are gonna learn about another Flutter tip. So we are gonna learn how to make your Flutter app feel native on any device. So usually when we develop a Flutter application, we are targeting multiple platforms. For instance, when we develop an application, we want it to work on smartphones, tablets, desktop, and many other platforms. So in this scenario, we need to take into account all the screen sizes that we want the application to run on. So let's say that we have this application in which we have a list of recent transactions. So here it looks good. We have a list, different transactions. Also, we have here a fab button, a floating button, and it's okay. We can interact with this UI. No UX issues that are visible at all. But then when we run this application on a tablet, something looks a little bit weird. Like we have this in transaction list, but here we have a big empty space. We have the fab button here. It looks a little bit away. Like we can improve this list, this UI, to look better on tablets. So for this situation, we have this proposed solution. So the proposed solution is to create a custom widget, for instance, called ResponsiveScaffold, in which we define different content depending on the platform the application is running. For instance, if we want to support mobile and tablet views, so we can define a specific screen for mobile and a specific screen for tablets. And here we can define a criteria in order to define which is the widget we want to use depending on the platform. For instance, in this situation, we have if width is smaller than 600, so we say the application is running on a mobile or a smartphone, otherwise it's running on a tablet. And this is the way we can use it. We have a wrapper, responsive scaffold, and here we define the screen for mobile, the screen for tablet, and here we have the logic, so the application will decide which content to use. So we can pass from this, that looks a little bit bad, to this. So this UI looks better on tablets because it's a great view, like you have enough space in order to tap on a transaction. And when you run the application on a smartphone, it would look like this. That this is like the normal interaction we have on smartphones. And how the directory tree will look like. So here we have the presentation layer, we have the screens. Here in transaction screen, we have the parent screen that will have the responsive widget we just defined. And also we have two new folders, mobile and tablet. And we will have as many folders as the platforms we support. So for instance, we have the mobile file, the tablet file, and this will define the layout that we want to display depending on the platform. And here we have the widgets folder. So in order not to duplicate code between mobile and tablet, we want to define the shared or common widgets here in this folder, so we can use them on those different layouts. And that's all. Hope this is really useful for your next Flutter app.